My name is Suprynowicz, and for my molecule of the year, I was given benzyl acetate. Just to reiterate and show what I'm going to talk about, the molecule again is benzyl acetate. The category is biological, and then my nomination is a molecular hero, and I will discuss the molecule further. Um, just a description of benzyl acetate. Benzyl acetate is an organic ester, which is a compound formed via the reaction between an acid and an alcohol. In this case, for benzyl acetate, it's the condensation of benzyl alcohol and acetic acid. And then I showed the reaction right beneath that between benzyl alcohol and acetic acid to form benzyl acetate. Its formula is carbon 9, hydrogen 10, oxygen 2. So there's another furthering the description. The physical properties of benzyl acetate include that it is a clear liquid. It's got a flowery or pear-like odor. It has a bitter taste. Its molecular weight is 150.17 grams per mole. Its boiling point is 486.15 kelvins. Its melting point is 221.85 kelvins. And its water solubility is 0.02 molar, which means that it's not very soluble in water. It's almost completely insoluble in water. Furthering with the description, its chemical properties include that it is flammable. Its vapor pressure is 1 mmHg at 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The toxicity, so the toxicity is kind of disputed through a lot of different websites. All the sources that I kind of looked at, the toxicity was always touched on, but it wasn't ever fully defined on what it was. This is the clearest definition that I could find, and that is if it is ingested in high concentrations, which from every source that I've gathered, it's usually around 50 parts per million, there can cause irritation, vomiting, and diarrhea. Continued exposure at high concentrations can cause kidney damage. Primarily, it's the irritation. Breathing in, it can cause respiratory irritation. And then the benzyl acetate structure, I included a structure that I drew on Chem, and mainly with this structure, it contains a 6-member ring. It does have an ester, and there's a total of 21 bonds. The claim to fame for benzyl acetate and its uses, like other esters, it has a sweet smell. It's primarily used in perfumes, like that of artificial jasmine. There's soaps, food flavorings. It's used in alcohols, solvents, natural and synthetic resins, lacquers, plastics, and polishes. Also, in nature, it is a pheromone in bees and used by bees, and it's also used as a bait by scientists to attract said bees. So there were some drawbacks I could find on different websites, but again, it wasn't fully that clear on benzyl acetate, but there is some theory regarding benzyl acetate as a possible carcinogen to humans, although this has not yet been proven. They're doing some research in mice testing, but they haven't found anything concrete there as either. Continuing with its claim to fame, it can be found in the Canaga odorata plant, which is native to India. The flowers, or ylang ylang, contain benzyl acetate and are used in perfumery and the creation of essential oils, cosmetics, and to treat ailments. It is also found naturally in jasmine, apple, cherry, guava, teas, plum, Chinese cabbage, and rice. So for my nomination, I nominated benzyl acetate as a molecular hero, and I nominated for its many uses, especially to humans, its unique structure and characteristics, minimal drawbacks, and distinctive origins and then here are my references.